Mameranio ya cukuru cha secondary nyakabaga kwariganwa ime county ya Kisii omutinyo iga ni nyakabaga kwirira chinguma akoranda semetandao na wigasamangana maye mune county ya Kisii tayari guchikorigania amameranio yo asentunda ya nationals uchakira mutinyo gocha ngo ritkuria rero muwasiri ntinira bwechigosori me county ya Kisii muske erkimienda anyakabaga kubeka teneni nige county ya Kisii rachkunyakabaga kwarigania amameranio yo gokwana na barikia mangana maye megetikya Kisii stadium nigo muske miyenda ayenekiringa nigabo bisakurwase serikali nene kubwatikana mangana yichigosori anyakabaga kubeka teneni nigo county ya Kisii tayari uchikwarigania amameranio yo na gutukutira chinguma bana nigo chigosori cyo cha skiwo cha county ya Kisumu.
We are here because of a very important exercise that was being conducted today by a team from national government. That is the national team and the regional team that came to inspect our facilities. We have gone to Cardinal Otunga, we've gone to Nyabururu, and they have come to the stadium to check the preparedness of this stadium. And I want to confirm that they are impressed by the works that have been done here. There were rumors that the stadium was not good, and that's why there was also another rumor that the secondary school sports were to be taken to Kisumu County. But we had to compel the national team to come and do the inspection, which they have done today, and they are impressed. They have confirmed that in another 1 hour, when they inspect other fields, they will give us a confirmation. But I want to say that the Kenya secondary school sports will be held in Kisii County, and Kisii Stadium will be hosting very many visitors from across the country.
Kurengana nere nigaire nigo irachkoba ebaitene no gucha sabonchira kurase county ya Kisii ekero amamirani arachko karekana ime county ya Kisii nigakiro mugabano we county ya Kisii amano mukonyo muskela ijobebo asokwene kinga babekire mirubiro mekirano kwene kegeti kige ikiranira sinchira yobwikirano.
Want to confirm that it was a very big concern, especially from our business people within Kisii, because as we're having those visitors who are coming to Kisii, the hotels will be having guests. All the businesses will be booming in Kisii, and therefore as a county, through the leadership of His Excellency the Governor and the Deputy Governor who is with me here, we have been compelling them to ensure that they give us this hosting, because we have done a lot of work in this stadium in readiness for the sports.
Kuripotiria Oyominto TV kure county ya Kisii, Richard Pethuel Machin.